do you call when your AC breaks?
I call a professional.
The most frustrating thing about a broken HVAC isn't just the inconvenience, which is bad, or the cost, which is worse, but rolling the dice every time you have to call someone who claims to be a professional to fix the HVAC. The last thing you want is a total stranger coming into your home, unable to fix the problem, and even worse, making a complete mess. Finally, someone's made a bigger mess than your kids. Greenbox goes the extra mile by making sure our technicians always put shoe covers on their feet before entering your home.
No!
And they always wash and sanitize their hands before and after they're done. But can we get the job done right? You bet we can. Here at Greenbox, we take pride in building a team that isn't just friendly, we're real professionals. Greenbox is constantly refining the technical skills of our technicians, unlike other professionals. Don't believe us? Chris said, "Another great visit from Greenbox, as usual." The technician was friendly, professional, and very knowledgeable. He got our gas pressure straightened out and even identified an issue with our gas meter that we'll have to follow up on. Good job. Maya said, "Seems like our reviews speak for themselves. You shouldn't have to worry about hiring messy, unskilled professionals." That's why Greenbox has only qualified, friendly, real professionals. So you can be confident the job will be done properly and on time. Next time you need a professional, hire the right professional with Greenbox Heating and Air. Still on the fence? If for any reason you're not happy with your install, we offer a 365-day guarantee. That means if you're unhappy with your install for any reason, we'll take it out and refund your investment. No questions asked. When it comes to heating and air, don't just call any professional. Call the professionals at Greenbox Heating and Air. There's no match for Greenbox.